Good morning! Kami po ay today Sunday at mag-church itong mga ito. Punta sila sa simbahan. Alam niyo naman ako, hindi po ako Catholic, pero siguro pupunta na ako sa isang lugar at makikinig po ako sa preaching ng pastor ko. Punta ako sa isang coffee shop. May coffee shop kaya doon? Sa Philippines?
Sa dami ng mga
Doon na lang po ako mag-worship sa sa coffee shop. Tingnan niyo paano kapag-worship sa isang coffee shop. Guys, dito po kami kailan na kami bumili ng, gaya kanina sinabi ko sa inyo, nandoon po ako sa airport, bumili kami ni Lolit ng T-Money. T-Money yan yung pwede ka sasakay sa mga bus. Kaya ito, 12 minutes, ayaw nyo maglakad? 12 minutes daw.
Nakari na lang nga natin, baka mas malapit pa.
Maglakad na lang, 12 minutes lang. Guys, kami ay maglalakad hanggang sa Myeongdong Cathedral. Meron naman ayan, tatawid tayo dyan, di ba? Tatawid tayo. Ay, wala na, wag muna kayo tumawid. Dahil huwag tayong tatawid kasi stop. Stop, look, and listen. Kaya stop, look, and listen. Kaya yan. Sinusundan lang namin si Google Map. Hindi ko alam kung saan niya kami dadalhin. Sabi, ano yan, Tongyong? Namsan Studio Seoul naman to. Oh, Recho, tatawid na naman. Hoy, ang dami palang dito makita, oh. Mechong yung sa temple. Namsanggol Hanok Village. Ay, may village pala dito, oh. Ay, oh, meron pong mga pupuntahan din. Tourist destination. Tapos may isa po dun yan, oh. Para siyang, parang temple. Ang hirap hanapin yung simbahan. Exercise. Kaya natin yan. Hindi. Ano na lang ako. Kay Tin tayo.
Continue on to Chungmu Road.
Yan na po. Tatawid po kami dito. Diyan po kami. Diyan dapat kami pupunta. So, haba-haba ng aming ayun, ang ayun, nakita ko na yung Myeongdong Cathedral. Sila po ay pinapuna ko na. So, ito, ako'y maghihintay na lang. So, yan. Grabe nilakad kami. Naglakad po kami. Hinanap lang namin doon saan ang view ng Myeongdong Cathedral. Ay, nako. So, mga kasamahan ko, nandoon na sila sa nandoon na sila sa simbahan. At sa outside ng simbahan, meron po silang mga nagtitinda ng gulay. Okay, grabe. May mga gulay. Yan. Parang farmer's market. Ayan. May masarap din yung mushroom. Sarap. Sarap naman. O yan. Meron silang tag ito, gulay. Ang sarap naman ang gulay. Ay, kung pwede lang ayan na sila. Ang dami. Ang ganda. Ito po ayan na po yung Myeongdong Cathedral. Halos lahat ng ibang tao ay
in 250 feet, arrive at Myeongdong Cathedral.
Nandoon na sila. Ayoko naman umakyat doon. Kasi nandoon na yung mga kasamahan ko. So, dyan sila. Sabihan ko na lang sila maghanap ako ng malapit na pag-uupuan ko. At doon naman ako. Ako naman ang magwo-worship. Ayan. Tingnan nyo, oh. Corn. That's a very, they cook the corn over here. And look at that, so good. Parang feel ko na talaga. Feel ko na talaga nasa Korea ako. Oh, naku, hanap ako ng, okay. Hanap ako ng, yeah, maganda po ang lugar nila. Diyan. Yan po mga gulay, oh. Saan ganda. Just ko isang content ko na itong paghahanap ng simbahan na yung Dong Cathedral. Masyadong so yan yung Dong Cathedral. So pag nakita niyo siya, madali lang po hanapin. Okay, guys, nakakita po ako ng pagpupuntahan. There is a coffee shop here. Sabi dito merong Starbucks sa taas pero mukhang open to. At dito po ako magbe-breakfast. Okay? Anong name nito? Leonidas Original. Kailangan pa picture. Well, basa na naman po ako. Dahil ako po ay maglakad kasama ang kasamahan. At least they found their church. So, ayun na. Ako naman dito sa isang coffee shop named Leonidas. Okay, so guys, I'm sitting here in a coffee shop. I ordered some caramel macchiato, and the only way I can order is just a muffin, and because the lady in the cashier doesn't understand in English, so maybe that's the easiest way for me to describe what I want to eat. And I thought everybody speaks English here in Korea. Looks like they are not. That is so frustrating. And many times I want to buy something in a local store. People that works doesn't speak English. So how can we buy things from them, right? So I hope the tourism people in this country should teach at least a basic English so that the people that works here will understand. It's so frustrating though. It's so frustrating. I'm gonna go shop in a big store instead. This is my breakfast. I got a muffin, which is so yummy. Look at how she made it. It's so later if I'm gonna taste it. And this is my caramel macchiato. Looks so yummy too. Let me just try it, okay? So guys, I will try the coffee, which is this one. Oh, in fairness, it's so good. He's good. In fairness, I'm about to freak out because she doesn't understand what I'm saying. But aside for her being so quiet, she's really good in making coffee. I love it. I like this one. My goodness. May kaya pa na naman ako. I'm looking for a Starbucks place where I can sit down and relax. But this place looks like it's relaxing too. Look at how it looks like. It's on this near the outside. And it's a very nice, simple coffee shop. It's near the Myeongdong Cathedral while waiting for my friends who's attending the Mass. And guess what? And I'm not a Catholic, so while waiting, I'm just gonna go eat here. I'm supposed to go do my worship here, but I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna just go have my breakfast, enjoy my breakfast today while waiting for them. Guys, I moved from the other coffee shop through Starbucks. Where else we can do is to patronize my laki na kape ko. To patronize my own Starbucks. Okay? It's a nice place here, and look at what happened. Look at that. And later, I'm gonna buy so much stuff over there because I saw some some of my collection, but it's not too. Doesn't say anything about Korea. But the nicest thing here in Starbucks, they got a bacon and scrambled egg sandwich. O diba, kaysa kanina, it's too sweet that I'm eating. So right now, I'm gonna eat. Oh my gosh, this is the typical Korean breakfast. Ang tawag niyan, the scrambled eggs and wala akong kinuwang napkin. Kailangan. Grabe. May kalimutan ko. Kukuha ako ng napkin at saka stirrer. Okay. So everywhere I go to any country or any country in the world, every time I want to go have breakfast, the safest place to go to, don't go to any local. Sometimes they don't speak the language, and it looks like people here in Starbucks are well trained. They could speak English. And so, this is my skinny vanilla latte. It means if it's a skinny vanilla, it's less sugar, but then that's my coffee in the US. This is good. And then in every Starbucks in any country, they always have something. The one in Spain, the one in Madrid, I really don't like it because it's too much. But here they have a good scrambled egg sandwich. Actually, they have bacon. They put bacon in it. Tapos na yata ang Let me call my friends. Sabihan ko mga kaibigan ko, nakastambay ako ngayon dito sa Starbucks. Kumakain ng breakfast. Mas masarap pa po ito kasi doon kanina. Hindi ko naubos kasi super grabe ang tamis. Tapos sa simban niya, parang 30 minutes na yung sumisa. Masarap. Hindi ko alam guys kung nilagay nila. Parang masarap yung bacon sa kanila. Canadian bacon yata ako. Masarap siya. Grabe sarap. Tin! Ayan na po sila. Dumating na sila. Ayan ang mga kasama ko. Ayan ang mga magpapasok dito. Nasaan sila lalo? Ayan na. Ayan na sila Lolit. Parang dumami ng tao. Parang dumami na. Kakaway-kaway lang kayo. Ayan na sila. Papunta na sila. Papasok na sila ng Starbucks. Parang madami na kayo dyan. Hi! Hello! Alam mo, masarap yung Canadian bacon scrambled egg nila. Tapos na po sila nag-breakfast. Hindi ko na masarap ba yan? Ano yun?
Ice latte.
Ha?
Ice latte.
Ice latte? Parang milk na
Milk.
Hindi, okay lang. Uminom na ako ng kape. Ito na Sunday po ngayon. Kaya babalik po kami sa aming tirahan. Pero maglalakad kami uli. Mag-exercise na naman po. Ayan. Sa Starbucks ka ba? Ayaw ba? Siso ba? Wala. Pupunta sila kukunin ticket namin. Basta yung kukunin na Balik na po kami sa aming ano, pabalik na po kami sa aming tirahan. Natutuwa akong tignan at may restaurant dito. Oh, Halloween na siya. Ayan. Nakakatuwa. Feel na feel ko na talaga pag nandito ako sa Korea. Ayan. Ayan sina Beth at saka si Lalo naglalakad. Walking kami. May mga restaurant dito. Alam mo kanina may nakita ko yung steamed chicken ang kanilang food. Para masarap siyang kainin. Tapos ito may isa dito. Mukhang yan. Betlet. Quartlet. Yun ang mga tindahan nila. Yung mga food. Masarap. Lalo na ito. Ay, may pork belly sila. Ang sarap ng ano. Saan nasa punta sina Beth? To the left.